Hi guys, my name is Disha Singh. Welcome to this channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today's video is specially for a children's who are studying into a school. As I don't know you have guys watched it or not, that I have made one more video before which was for women specially. So today's video is specially for a children's who are studying into a school. So coming to the video part, I want to tell you about and I want to give you information about the Sainik School Admission or the Sainik School Society. Now you guys are thinking like what I am talking about. So in today's video, I am going to give you an every single information which is related to Sainik School, which include what is Sainik School admission, where it is located, eligibility criteria, exam details, advantages and every such things I am gonna tell you about. Now coming to the first part, the first question which arises in all of your mind is what is Sainik School? What is Sainik School? So Sainik School is basically established and managed by Sainik School Society, which comes under the Ministry of Defence. Now they were established in the year of 1961 by V.K. Krishna Menon to prepare students mentally and physically at the both the level and to take entry into NDA, which is known as National Defence Academy. The main objective of these schools, is to prepare your child or the students to lead as an officer into a defense of the country. I hope you guys have cleared like what is Sainik School admission or what is Sainik School Society I am talking about. So coming to the second part, which is where these Sainik schools are located or list of Sainik school in India. So probably in every city of India now Sainik school have been established, which is Amethi, Amravati, Jhansi, Jharkhand, and in UP it is in Lucknow, and many more cities are having these Sainik school. If you want to check either like these Sainik schools have been established in your city or not, so you guys can go and Google it on official website of the Sainik School Society, where there they have mentioned every single city's name. So coming to the third part, which is eligibility criteria. So eligibility criteria means which standard of student or either your child is eligible to take admission into this Sainik school or not. So the students like the Sainik school offers admission only to those students who had crack or who had given the written examination of entrance examination of these Sainik schools. So means like you guys are now confused that what I am talking about. So I am saying this कि if your child or the student want to take admission into these Sainik schools, so firstly they have to give a written examination which is known as All India Sainik School Entrance Examination. So this is the entrance examination which your children have to pass. Now coming to the age part, so if you want to take admission into the 6th class for this Sainik school, so the age your child or the student should be coming in age between of 10 to 12 years, and if you want to take admission for 9th class, so the age should be coming in between 13 to 15 years. Clear? Now coming to the next part, which is exam details, means there are 3 stages which from like 3 stages or phases from which your children have to go. First stage is for written examination, as I have told you before also. Every single student who want to take admission into this Sainik school have to give the examination of All India Sainik School Entrance Examination. After clearing that, they have to give a physical test, and after that interview test. And if you want to clear all these 3 stages, please guys go and join Indus Ranges Academy. There they will give you every single proper thing to take admission into this Sainik school. They will make you prepare to take admission into this school, and if you need any more information, please call on the number given in the description box freely. And if you want to ask any questions to me, you guys can comment down below as well. Now coming to the last part, which is benefit of joining Sainik school. So there are many benefits to join these Sainik schools. Like the purpose of this school to put your child into a defense of the country. So along with the CBSE syllabus, your child would be like studying in excellent. But along with that, they will also learn extracurricular activities which they conduct, which include horse riding, swimming, debate, singing, dancing, and everything. And apart from that, they give special attention to sports and athletics also. So like which will help them to develop their personality, their communication, their confidence and everything. So it is very helpful and very important for their future. And one more thing I want to tell you, that there is a NCC camp which is must for each and every single student who are taking admission into these Sainik school. So by the time your child would be passed out from these Sainik school, will have many more certificates and minimum 10 NCC camps with them. So if you have any other question related to this Sainik school, please comment down below. I am going to revert you all, and if you need me to prepare, like to made a video on the syllabus part, so please comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.